It's beautiful to have such and host such an event here in Budapest for our New World Foundation team. So we are able as well to include new types of inputs and as well knowledge from all over the world.
That was the third design summit, and it was bigger and more diverse than ever. We had almost 600 viewers from Hungary and from the region. This year, 46 speakers joined us from 14 countries.
We are building a digital champion bank, and it's an extremely complex mission. It involves the change of technology, the change of business models, and we need an organizational transformation as well in order to achieve our goals. That's why we invited the best and brightest from all around the world who have already initiated or taken part in a transformation like this.
My favorite items are ecosystem building, bank as a service, APIs, how to build embedded banking and how to change the banking world from where it has been evolving the last 20-30 years into a new type of working the new century, how we are able to change basic understanding of what banks should deliver to their customers.